Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to manage automatic media download settings on your Telegram X account easily and quickly. So first enter Telegram X, click on these three lines here and then go to settings, and then we have this storage and data settings. Click on it. So as you see here we have automatic media download. So we have many options, many sections. Like in private chats you can manage the photos, the voice messages, the video messages, the videos, and so you can add whatever you want here, files, music, and click save and it will be saved. Also we have in groups, also the same thing, add whatever you want and click save. And we have advanced. So as you see here you can add no photos or no video, no voice messages, no video messages, and click save. And the same thing with the restricts on roaming. So that's it. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.